What's going on, guys? So we have an exciting video here today, and GT500 is gonna make some flames, have some wide open throttle shifting. It's gonna have the two-step, don't really think I'm gonna use it too much. We have Chris, the master WOT Box installer here, and I'm gonna have to show them your car later, or should I show them the secrets, or?
I mean, if you want to. I'm trying to keep it on the low, you know?
Keep it on the DL?
Oh yeah.
We'll slap a clip right in here. So 3.7 liter V6 Mustang. So
Don't want to rip it too much.
It's got the race stars on it. 3.7.
If I'm not gonna be fast, I might as well just look fast, you know.
Do you want to show them under the hood, or is that top secret?
You know,
dude, you swapped your V6?
Little 3.7, you know.
Yeah.
Looks good. Fitment was on point.
I can't wait to see the comments on this. They're gonna be so confused. What, they're gonna be like, wait, he swapped a Coyote into his V6 Mustang?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, no.
Or did you put badges, V6 badges on, on a GT?
So I had a 5.0 before, but then I took the motor of that one, sold the car, and then got a V6 frame and put the motor in that one.
Sounds about right.
That's pretty much what I did. It was the cheapest option to go with, you know. So
it's kind of like what insurance thinks I drive.
Exactly.
And what I actually drive.
Try to sell the 5.0, get a V6 one, just swap the motor, you know.
They're gonna think you're serious. I can't wait to see the comment section.
Because I am serious. They should think I'm serious.
Just one more time. So I have had a few of these in my cars. This is the N2MB WOT Box. So it's a pretty cool little system. It goes off of ignition. You can set up a two-step, helped with the bullet, be able to get that car off the line. And 60 foot really well. It also helped with wide open throttle shifting with the Cobra while using the stock clutch. And that's kind of the goal with this, is to keep the stock clutch alive, use this, and get some better consistent shifting with the GT500. And it also shoots some flames.
Massive flames.
Yeah.
This one? Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
It's gonna be lit.
Make sure you check out the Mustang Lifestyle key tags. We have a OG Turdzilla one here on the truck key. Go check them out. They're 10 bucks. They're on the website. We'll ship them right out to you. And it helps support the channel and doing all the crazy stuff we do. Yeah, so Chris has installed like 15 of these.
Yeah, I have.
About 15?
About 15, yep.
So if you ever wonder why all the Mustangs in Orlando area, all the way to my area, shoot flames, this guy's to blame.
It was actually on the news in downtown Orlando.
No.
Massive, like, people think it's shootings, and it's hilarious.
We're gonna have to blur your face out on this one.
Yeah, you know.
So all the connections are right here up front on the PCM.
So each one of these connectors into the ECM, or PCM, whatever you want to call it, one wire goes into the top one, there's 3 of them, and one of them goes into each of them. And then you have to take this whole box out, and there's going to be one wire for the ignition coils. We have to splice into that one.
Nice. So if you do need some help with installing one of these, hit up Chris, Instagram right there, and he will help you out.
Let me know. I got you.
Nice soldered connections, so we never have an issue. Alright, so wires are ran over in there. Everything is connected under there. It's got some more stuff to do inside, and then that's it.
Just the ground.
Alright, so it's working. As you can see, blink when I put the gas down. Clutch. Yep. Working.
Everything's good.
We got it out of 4-cylinder mode, so. Alright, should start now. Sweet!
Nice. Read RPM. Yep. Everything's good to go.
Heck yeah.
So,
we'll have to test this outside of my neighborhood.
Flame mode? Flame mode?
We might have to.
Alright, flame mode it is.
Flame mode engaged. Alright. Test number 1.
yeah, you feel that. Oh, you feel it.
That is loud.
Guarantee you the person behind you felt it. Oh yeah.
Yeah, well, it shoots flames. We're gonna have to wait till nighttime to actually see them. But that's a blast. Literally blast. 550 milliseconds. I can't even describe it. It's so hard, like, to describe it to people. And once you finally learn how to do it,
yeah,
you got it. But,
oh yeah. It's just trial and error.
yep.
That's all it is.
No cops in Mexico. Alright. Try a little first gear hit. Woo! Did it not cut ignition? I smell white.
Yeah. Did it cut ignition that time?
Yeah.
Okay.
I guess I just gotta get used to the first gear.
Yeah. Yo, this thing rips. This thing rips, dude.
Does it feel like 800?
Oh yeah.
All of it?
All of it. All right, everything's good.
Sweet.
Everything is good to go. If you want to try it real quick. Oh my god.
Yep, it works.
Dude, that whine in the two-step. Jesus Christ.
You still filming?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Are you spinning all through third too? Yeah, and we're there. Let's go see what their back seats look like. Jeez, this thing rips.
Oh yeah. No, I love the WOT Box. It's so much more consistent shifts.
Oh yeah.
It just makes it easy. Especially on auto, like at the track, once I get the MGW and everything in.
Oh yeah.
I'll
Oh, with the MGW?
I'll be able to turn it down to like 100 milliseconds.
Oh yeah. And it saves your transmission by a long time too.
Yeah. Well, successful WOT Box install.
Dude, it rips, dude.
Heck yeah. And you got to go for a ride.
Oh yeah, dude.
It rips.
Oh, yeah.
And it's hot out too.
So much different than my car and other cars. Like,
But yeah.
It's tuned very well. Very
But
dialed in.
if they need a WOT Box install, hit you up. Instagram right there.
I got you.
And
any cars, I'll figure it out.
Oh, look who is here. Now has Roush axle backs. Super loud. You just wanted to be that obnoxious boy. Roush axle backs, cat delete.
Hot boyed out, bro.
What's up, dude?
Good to see you.
Whatever. All right, we're gonna take the Shelby out to a meet for a little startup. We're gonna roll. And microphone's on the top, so just watch out for that.
Got you.
Tires hot. Does it feel fast?
Very fast. Very fast.
Oh, this video is gonna have to come out after I reveal the wrap because it's actually not done yet. It looks so sick in the light. And of course the Shelby. What do you think?
Fast.
It's fast?
Fast.
This thing looks sick though. Definitely gets rowdy. Derek is piloting the Bullet tonight. What do you think of the Shelby flames?
Holy.
We need to get some on video.
I'm saying, like, all four.
All four tips?
All four.
Oh man.
Big boy flames.
Well, let's head over to the meet.
Yeah. Back to 93 though.
Yep.
A little more boosty.
All right, some little flamage action. Oh, didn't do one. Oh, just a little one.
Good little one. Another one. Another one. Come on, Derek.
No. You're getting too close for comfort. Do it again. Yeah. Yep. Do it again. I'm covering my ears. Okay, we're good from here.
Yeah, we're solid.
Oh my God.
Another one.
What?
Again.
Again?
Yeah.
Again.
I do it under the bridge.
All right. Oh man.
God. How's that make you feel, Andrew?
What?
All right, let's keep going. I never heard this car from the outside. It's loud.
God.
Loud thud.
You set off the car alarms at the. Oh God! Oh, so we're still going. Okay.
Did you have fun?
Yeah.
How are the flames?
Huh?
Nasty of the GT500?
Right. Oh, you guys see that last one? This is only one flash.
This is sick, dude. If I didn't need like a 4-door vehicle, this would have been it. This would have been it.
100%.
These things are so fast. 10-speed auto, 5-liter. The wrap looks so good, and it's not even done. Side skirt still nearly done. We brought both cars out. All right, we're gonna shoot some flames.
Got some good ones.
All right, Dylan, we're gonna roll out of here, go get some food.
Time for Korean barbecue, boy.
Yeah, buddy.
So, what did we roll up on here in Mexico?
Don't know.
It is. It is.
Ready? Ready? Absolutely no. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that video of the WOT Box install and going out to the meet and testing out the flames it produces. So to reiterate, the WOT Box will allow you to do a 2-step function on your Mustang or other vehicle. Allows you to set up the RPM. For that, it also lets you set a rev limiter, a soft limiter on top of whatever the tune is set for. It also allows you to do wide open throttle shifting, which basically you keep your right foot on the floor on the gas and hit the clutch, shift the gear and let out. It cuts the ignition in between the gears. also shoot some flames sometimes, and you can also manipulate the box to shoot some massive fireballs like you saw in this video. The WOT Box also has a window switch option that you can wire in there. I've never used it before, but it is there. If you guys want to check one out, I have a link down in the description. I have put one on this, my old Cobra, and the Bullet. As you saw, all these things for shooting flames. So make sure you slap the like button down below, leave a comment, let us know what you think, and we'll see you guys next time.